Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
To quickly find a recent saved transaction form in QuickBooks Online Plus, click the Search button in the QuickBooks Online toolbar. This button looks like a magnifying glass. After clicking this button, a drop-down menu appears. The most recent transactions appear in the Recent Transactions section within this drop-down menu. If you see the transaction you are looking for in the list, click it to open the transaction. Clicking the Advanced Search link at the bottom of the drop-down menu opens the Search Your Transactions page. To instead search for a transaction by using the drop-down menu, enter the search term into the search field at the top of the button's drop-down menu. The searching begins as you type the term or terms. After you stop typing, matching results appear below, grouped by categories in the drop-down menu. To open a matching result, click it. Alternatively, to open the Search Your Transactions page instead, click the Advanced Search link at the bottom of the drop-down menu. In the Search Your Transactions page, you can use the search box at the top of the form to enter details for which to search, and then click the adjacent search button or press the Enter key on your keyboard to see matching results in a list below. Alternatively, you can select matching criteria for which to search from any of the search fields that appear to then show matching transactions in the list below. To show additional filters, click the Additional Filters button to the right of the search field, and then make your selections from the filtering choices in the pane that appears. To clear filters if applied, click the Clear Filters button that appears above the list of transactions. To open a transaction in the transaction list, click it. The transaction then opens in a new window. You can close the window after reviewing it to return to the Search Your Transactions page. If desired, to use the Classic Advanced Search feature instead, click the Go to Classic Advanced Search link at the top of the page to open the Classic Search page. The Search page lets you find transaction forms using the search criteria at the top of the page. Use the Top Criteria dropdown to select the type of form to find. Then use the Next dropdown to select a searchable field in the selected form type. Select a comparison operator for that field from the dropdown to the right. Then use the Final dropdown field to select a value from the list or enter a value to find in the selected field. To find transactions that match the selected criteria, click the Search button to display the list of matching form results below. The filtering criteria appears as a blue link above the search results set. To add more search criteria, enter new search criteria into the 3 search criteria fields once more. Then click the Add Filter button to add the new search criteria to the initial criteria you selected in the list below. All of the current search criteria appear at the top of the results list. To remove a current search criteria filter, click the Search Filter to Remove shown at the top of the results list. When you see the transaction form you want to open appear in the search results list, click it to open it in a new window.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.